Okay, shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 22 has been issued from 3:20.
This one is the one from my county. I had to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning just to film this.
Howard, Little River, and Sevier. You are listening to NOAA radio.
W, bro. This is a W catch. That's 3 tornado watches so far. The WX-150 has yet to go off. Just wow. I had to wake up at 3 just to film this. That has yet to go off. Oh my god. I have to figure that out.